Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois. And today we just took in this 1997 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am with T-tops WS6 Ram Air package with leather interior, 6-speed transmission, and 5.7 liter V8 motor. It's got really low miles. I'll share that with you in a minute. The body on the outside, the paint is in excellent condition. This car came in from a local guy that is a pretty big car collector, and we just got the Kung Fu grip out of him, and we got the car here at MGM now. But like I said, beautiful exterior, T-tops on the car, excellent paint, super nice car. Do a nice quick walk around. Clean Carfax report on the vehicle, no accidents as well. You will be very, very proud to own this thing. It is that clean. Like I did say again, leather interior. I'll show you a 6-speed transmission and T-tops. We're gonna go for a little test drive. Let's check it out. Look how clean this interior is. Power windows, power locks, air conditioning, beautiful. There's your T-tops there, beautiful condition. Let's go for a quick test drive. What a car for the money. Love it. So it's 35,230 original miles on this thing. Everything does function, cold air conditioning as well. All right, tilt wheel, all the goodies. Wow, are these seats comfy. All right, let's go for a cruise. Let's get the air conditioning going. So MGM is located here in Addison, Illinois, 150 South Church Street, where we have 35,000 indoor showroom with over 160 beautiful cars that are hand-picked by us. We don't just take anything. For you to come and check it out, hours of operation are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, and Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. We're 15 minutes, 20 minutes away from Chicago O'Hare Airport. If you wanted to fly in, check this beautiful car out in person and drive her home. I don't care if it's California. This is very comfy and reliable. How fun would it be to cruise the coast with the T-tops off? Oh yeah. This thing sounds good too. Very nice. And no odd noises going down the road. No problems with the power steering. The brakes are excellent. Clutch feels great. It shifts like it should. Yep, front end does come up on second gear. It's got some power. It's got some power. It's fun. If you need financing, not a problem. You can check out the website at mgmclassiccars.com and fill out the credit application there. You will need 10% down. In some cases, if you're in the 780 and higher credit score, we can do a no money down option. And if you need delivery, text me or call me with your zip code. Text is faster. My number is 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars. Have a great day.